Okay, look at this question here. For part 1, it says use the Excel analysis tool pack. I'm reading here. Use the function descriptive statistics and generate and show the descriptive statistics for each appropriate variable in the sample data set. And then A says, for which variable does this function work correctly or not, and why? Which means it's not going to work perfectly, and you've got to figure that out. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the data set, highlight the range of data. Now I'm going to go off the screen, but I'm highlighting that whole matrix range, okay? And then what I'm going to do is come up to data on my Excel. I'll go over to data analysis. Now I'm using Excel 2010. This might be slightly different depending on your version. And I'll click on data analysis, and this is going to come up. Now I'm going to choose descriptive statistics. Now you're going to pick the range, but you're going to find that it's going to give you an error on ones that don't have numbers. So as a result, I'll just pick the range to numbers, which goes down to here, okay? And I'll highlight all of those. I'm going to press down. It says it's grouped by columns. That's true. And the label is on the first row, so it should be able to figure that out. I just want the summary statistics on, and I'm going to output the range. How about to sheet 3, column A? Hopefully that will work. I'm not so sure. I got a point where I want it. I want to, well, you know what? I can output the range here down below, and I think if I just put one cell, it'll work. And I hit OK. No, it didn't like that. So actually, let's just take it to a new range, new worksheet. Oh, it doesn't like something. Let's go. Oh, I changed the input range. That's the problem. Let's go back here. The input range has to be through here. Okay, you gotta ignore those columns that have non-numeric values. And labels in the first row. Put a new worksheet, and that should work. Okay, now that's part of the output, and that's the solution. Okay, now you can just double click and you can read all of the various columns, and it explains descriptive statistics, and then you're asked to comment on that.